So course 7, 1.4, I'm talking about the orders of operations. So first of all, I want to talk about what is numerical expression. So numerical expression is made out of numbers and operations. So a numerical expression is made out of numbers and operations. Okay, and then what is order of operations? So order of operations is the method, the order that we perform the operation. So order of operations is the order of our operations. So it's the sequence of operation, like which one goes first, which one goes next, which one goes next. So that's order of operations. So what are the orders of operations, and more specifically, what are the rules of order of operations? So number one is we want to perform operations within grouping symbols and then number two, we want to evaluate power So first of all, we perform operations with grouping symbols, then we evaluate powers, then we multiply and divide in order from left to right. And then we add and subtract in order from left to right. So we perform operations within grouping symbol, and then we evaluate powers, and then we multiply or divide in order from left to right, and then we add and subtract in order from left to right. So we can also say it as PEMDAS per parenthesis the grouping symbols, all kinds of grouping symbols, evaluate, multiply, divide, add, or subtract. So the combination of the first letter PEMDAS, PEMDAS, parenthesis, evaluate, multiply, divide, add, and subtract. So from question 1, I have PEMDAS. Do I have parentheses? No. Do I have power? Exponential? Do I have power? No. Do I have multiplication, division? Yes. So I want to do these first. So these two, I want to do them first. 18 divided by 6 is 3. And then do addition, subtraction from left to right. 27 minus 3 is 24. Again, for question for question B, PEMDAS. Do I have parentheses? No. Do I have exponents? No. Do I have multiplication? Yes. Do I have division? Yes. So circle them. And I do addition from left to right. 36 minus 18 divided by 2 is 9 times 3. 18 divided by 2 is 9 times 3 plus 8. So when I do multiplication and division, I do it from left to right. Minus 27 plus 8. Then I quickly do these two. This is 9 plus 8. So that is 17. Then I have a C. I use PEMDAS. There's no parentheses. There is exponents, so these two go first. 6 squared 36 times 10. I do have multiplication, division. So end up with 5 plus 360. Then we do addition, subtraction, 365. So then again, now this one I have grouping symbols. So PEM, that was PEMDAS. Do I have grouping symbols? Yes. So grouping symbols needs to go first. 36 minus 12 divided by 3. I don't have exponential. Multiplication, division. Minus 4 equals to 32. Again, question B, PEMDAS. Okay, do I have parentheses? Yes. So I do parentheses first. So I have two parentheses here. So I'll do the inside first. And within the inside, again, I use PEMDAS. So I want to do division first. 4 plus 12 divided by 4 is 3. Minus 2 to the power of 3. 7 minus 2 to the power of 3, 5 to the power of 3 is 125. So now I have my career application. So Maria works part-time in a law office where she earns 20 per hour, and the table shows the number of hours she worked last week. So how do we simplify the expression? 6 plus 5 times 3, parentheses to the power of 20 to find out how much money Maria earned last week. So here, 6 plus 5 times 3, because I have 3 of the 5, times 20. So I'll do 5 times 3 first. So 6 plus 15 times 20, 21 times 20 is 420. So she earned 420 last